Drizzling or pounding rain will hit the ground, pick up, and mix with what's on the ground. Then it'll flow into the nearby drains and go straight to the lakes, rivers, and the Puget Sound. What the rain mixed with usually just pollutes the water. Stop dumping down the drain, I don't mean to complain, but all that stuff that you just dump gets washed down with all the rain. Motor oil, pet waste, and much more will go right down the drain with a little storm. Every year, fish will die from a careless guy not disposing right. So recycle your oil and stay loyal to the Puget Sound, the most beautiful place around. Wash your car on the lawn. When you do that, you cannot do no wrong. Storm drain pollution is a serious case. You would see that if you saw the facts face to face. 23 pesticides are found in the Puget Sound when a storm rolls around. Hey, hey, hey. Preserve the Puget, preserve the Puget. Everybody say, power to the Puget, preserve the Puget, preserve the Puget. Everybody say, power to the Puget.
1/3 of the pollution in the Puget Sound is due to storm drains. That's because oil, fertilizer, pet waste, firecrackers, and much more can get in the drains. To prevent some of this, you can recycle used motor oil, compost yard trippings, report illegal dumping, pick up after your pets, dispose of trash properly, and use water-based paints. Plus there's many more. Preserve the Puget Sound, please.